In this video, I'm excited to show you two beanie and scarf combos, one for adults and one for children. These beginner crochet patterns are from some of my past tutorials. I've grouped them to show you how the different scarf and beanie combos work together. If you like these and would like to follow them in more detail, please jump to the end of this video and have a look at the playlist where you can watch the particular tutorial in step-by-step detail. Hi, my name is Lindy and thank you for joining my channel. Welcome or welcome back. I use an ombre color for all four of these patterns, but if you feel this is too complicated as a beginner, then use a single color, and I would suggest a weighted 3 or 4 yarn to get the best effect, and it's the nicest weight for a beginner. In the attached tutorials on my playlist, I show you a couple of things which are basic skills for beginners. The rule of the circle, how to make sure the beanie correctly fits your head, how to decrease stitches, and how to keep the edges of your scarf straight. As always, my patterns are free on my tutorials, and in these particular combos you'll need a few balls of yarn, in some cases only one ball of yarn. The first in my combo is my basic beanie. This is the one I actually made up, which you will follow through in my tutorial. I have a number of other ones. Here's another variegated one which matches another scarf of mine. Here is the one I did with a little flower, and this is a plain Chanel. So all of these beanies are in my tutorials, but this one is linked in the playlist at the end. I really enjoyed making this one. It is so simple and you're going to love it. This basic beanie crochet pattern is a real winner and something you're going to want to make many times as fall begins and the cool weather arrives. I've used ombre colors of lilacs and greys and pinks, but a single color will certainly make a bold statement. You're going to want to keep this pattern in a safe place, and once you've mastered this pattern, you'll have more beanies than you can wear. Here we have our yarn that we're going to be using for our basic beanie. It is a 4-weight yarn, and you can see it's an ombre color from lilacs, pinks, greys, purples, 11 and 12. Now, an easier way to count is on the edging where we've got our little V shapes. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here is the final one hiding. So we'll go into that one and we're going to just go into this and we're going to do our slip stitch. Every round starts with 2 chain stitches, which creates the first stitch. And every round finishes with a slip stitch. And we have now completed our second round. Here we are on row 6 and we're near the end. We've got 65 stitches. We need 72 for the total round. And here we have the end of row 6. I want to show you how to make the beanie accurately fit your head. Put it on our head like that, with the center on the crown of our head. That is the top of the beanie, which has been slowly increasing in size. We're now going to go straight down to make the beanie fit correctly on our head. So from this end of the 6th row, starting on the 7th row, we're going to stop increasing and just carry on straight down. So here we are, only a short way into doing the rows without any increasing. In fact, only 2 rows. So we've done our 6 rows, and then we started these last 2 rows with no increasing, and you can see how we're already creating a bowl shape. We've got our basic beanie. The second of my adult combo is this triangular scarf. It took 2 balls of yarn and I used an ombre color. Now the ombre color means you get a nice variation of color without having to change the yarn. And as a beginner, the technique of changing the color of the yarn does take a little bit of time to learn. So this is a great starting project. In this tutorial, which you find on my playlist at the end, I also show you where exactly to put the hook, because depending on which stitch you pick up, it makes the pattern change. So in my pattern, I show you which stitch to put your hook into. Today I want to show you a quick and easy crochet triangular scarf. I've crocheted this triangular scarf in 100% acrylic in a 4-weight, and this crochets up really quickly in half double crochet. Here's the triangular scarf, and you can see there are a number of ways to wear them. You could put it like this over the front, or you can even use it over the back and then have one larger, longer piece come forward and tie it in the front. So there are a lot of options to wearing this triangular scarf. Suggests a 6.5mm crochet hook. I'm actually going to use 5.5. I do prefer a slightly smaller hook. On the completed scarf, I want to show you how this develops. So we want to keep this line straight, and you can see how this is how we're creating the triangle with each color coming off. And this is how we lengthen the triangle in this direction. Here we are doing 2 chain stitches and a half double crochet. So we're growing on each side by 1 stitch. And here we're keeping it at 2 half double crochets and 2 chain stitches. So this is just to show you how the corner grows, because when you start it, it's not always easy to see what you are progressing towards. So this is the scarf completed with the point at the end. The last in my combos is the basic beanie and scarf for a child. I combined the ombre color from my adult's basic beanie with some of the white and pink acrylic and cotton blend yarn I had left over from a blanket. So by using all these bits and pieces, it's really a nice way to use your stash. I then combined the pinks and the whites and the ombres, and I put on a pom-pom, which is perfect for the little girl who likes to dress up and have fun doing so. And you'll also see in my scarf how I work up the side of the scarf to give it a nice neat edge and a nice finish. So look at the way I do this. It's a really great technique for future projects. The pattern of the child's beanie is slightly different to the adult's basic beanie, but I explain all of this step by step in my tutorial. Take a look at it and let me know if you decide to make one of these. Here's a taste of my child's beanie and scarf combo. If you enjoy crocheting for your child or your grandchild or a friend's child, you're going to love this easy and quick pattern. It's a little girl's scarf and beanie set, and you can use the leftover yarn because this is going to be a ball of yarn for the 2 of them. I've used 3 colors, and I bought this lovely little pom-pom. What little girl doesn't love a pom-pom on the top of her beanie? This little combo crochets up really quickly. The only challenge here is to make sure that the circumference of the head is the correct size. So you'll just need to get the measurement around the head of the child. Otherwise, it's really quick, straightforward, and I loved crocheting this combo. We are using the Banat Softie. It's a 60% cotton and 40% acrylic to make the cap and the scarf. So I'm going to begin with the variegated yarn, and then we're going to put in the pink and the white yarn. Let's begin with the scarf. Begin with adding the white, and then we just catch that and we do 3 chain stitches. We then turn it around. Now we're going to make 3 in total double crochets into this first space. And then 1 chain and 3 into the next space. As one goes further along, you start learning little ways to do things. Here we are at the end with the variegated yarn. Just before the end, I want to try and include this yarn which is coming up into the next row. So here I am like this, and all I do is I've done my chain stitch, I do yarn over, and as I put it in here, I just loop this so that it gets picked up down the side, and you can see how nicely the side is looking, the way it just loops. So let's begin the basic beanie for children. I'm going to be using the same pink and white and the same variegated yarn. My name is Lindy and thank you for joining my channel. If you enjoyed this video on my 2 favorite scarf and beanie combos for adults and children, please look at the playlist at the end for the tutorials in detail. And if you could like and subscribe, you'll be notified when my next is available. Take care and bye.